Can we go on to
Speaking of pets, animals.
yeah, Maplebear, which has nothing to do with that. And you, while I'm talking, you're gonna be looked to see if you find
I
anything.
have it if you want it. So this is according to ChatGPT. The maple part refers to Canada. The founder, Apurva Mehta, is originally from Canada, and the bear part comes from California state flag, which has a bear on it, as Mehta later moved to California.
Okay. I would think with the company name, you want something more related to the product.
Maybe like Instacart.
Yeah, that'd be a great idea. Oh, Maplebear, because it sounds like it's a food or a pet company, or animal company. But anyways, we're gonna take a look at it. Their symbol is great. The symbol is CART, C-A-R-T. They're in the internet retail. Floated on the shorts kind of high, 14.3%. Institutional ownership 86. They got a PE ratio of 22.1 versus 28, so that's positive. Price of sales 3.2 versus 2.6. Price to book value 3.1 versus 4.8, and price of cash flow looks okay at 12.2 versus 16.8. Now, for some reason, over the last year, the earnings show that they've declined by 82.7% when the industry was up 48.5%. However, sales for Maplebear, Instacart, we're going to call it so you know what we're talking about. Sales are up 10.2% versus 11.8%, and the 5-year earnings per share growth estimate 20.5%, while the industry is a negative 2.5%. Unfortunately, no dividend. Don't pay a dividend there. So we do see a balance sheet pretty strong. Current ratio 3.6 versus 1.4. No debt on the balance sheet. That's a big positive. Net profit margin 14.2 versus 9.3. Return on equity 14.6. Free cash flow not that great, $188 million versus $9.2 billion for the industry. So if you got me something good here going forward, this could be a buy, but it's all up to you, Chase.
Yeah, well, current price here again for Maplebear, and it makes me think of Maple Bar and makes me want a donut. Oh my God, that sounds good. But again, the current price here, $40.19. Their ticker symbol is CART, C-A-R-T. 52-week range here, the low $34.78 and the high $53.50. See the stock, it looks like they went public actually in about 2023, so it hasn't been public very long. But again, kind of languished since it did reach that peak of over $50 a share. Going forward for Instacart, Maplebear, we go out to December 2026. See estimated earnings per share here of $2.19. Unfortunately, gives us a target sell price of $36.35. I mean, it trades at a valuation of a little bit over 18 times earnings. The growth here is pretty decent. This year, they're looking for earnings growth of 14%. Next year, about 22%. Again, there's a wide variance, though, which is a little bit of a concern.
Yeah, and actually, there's 26 analysts, and talk about a wide variance. The low estimate's 173. The high is 307 to get that 219. So they're kind of all over the board. And is there Maplebear? Is there only business Instacart? They have anything else?
It looks like it's just Instacart.
Wow.
From what I see.
Yeah.
And the other thing I was going to say about this company that is a little bit concerning is I don't know how wide the moat is on these, right? I know DoorDash now is kind of competing in that space. I think Uber Eats
we
use
used Uber Eats for somebody's birthday this past week, and they were half hour late.
Yeah.
That was Uber Eats, right?
They were.
Right?
Maybe,
So, yeah.
I mean, but Instacart I don't think does restaurants. I think they just do groceries. But I think the other restaurant players are now getting involved in groceries. I wonder if Maplebear is going to get involved in restaurants. I don't know.